Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to remove and replace the license plate light bulbs. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the easiest way to do this is to partially open the leaf gate, right? And then you don't have to get into awkward position. Okay, now all you have to do, you have to pry out this whole assembly. Now you want to use a flat screwdriver or anything similar and just pry it here in this opening. So just push it in and then lower it down. You will see there is this metal tab to push. Okay, now you have whole assembly out. Okay, now to completely remove it, you just have to turn this socket counterclockwise. Now these wires here are really short, so you have to kind of struggle a bit. I'm not sure why they did it that way, but it is what it is. Okay, see, and here is the light bulb. And now to remove the bulb, you just want to pull it straight out. And when installing new bulb back in, you just insert it straight in. And one more tip, before you put everything back together, make sure to turn on the lights and try if the new light bulbs actually works. Okay, now this is the test. Everything seems to be good. And now I will install back the housing. And one more tip I will mention. Sometimes lots of mud and debris can get around this area, so make sure to clean everything in case you're having problems with that. So if you get mud around these socket wires, just use electrical contact cleaner and clean it before you install the new bulb. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.